To set up an Arculus wallet, start by downloading the Arculus app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the download is complete, open the app and tap on Create a new wallet to begin the setup process. Next, you will be prompted to create a unique 6-digit passcode, which will serve as the primary security measure for your wallet. Enter the passcode and confirm it by re-entering the same sequence of numbers. This passcode will be required every time you access your wallet, so make sure to choose a sequence that is easy for you to remember but difficult for others to guess. After creating your passcode, you will be asked to set up a recovery key. The recovery key is a critical component of your wallet's security, as it will allow you to restore your wallet in the event that you forget your passcode or lose access to your device. Make sure to store the recovery key in a safe and secure location, such as a fireproof safe or a secure note-taking app. With your passcode and recovery key in place, you can now add cryptocurrency to your Arculus wallet. To do this, navigate to the Receive tab and select the type of cryptocurrency you want to add. You will be presented with a unique wallet address, which you can use to receive funds from other wallets or exchanges. When sending cryptocurrency from your Arculus wallet, navigate to the Send tab and enter the recipient's wallet address. Make sure to double-check the address to ensure that you are sending the funds to the correct recipient. You will also be prompted to enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to send, as well as any relevant transaction fees. As you use your Arculus wallet, make sure to follow best practices for security and maintenance. This includes regularly updating your app, using strong and unique passcodes, and monitoring your account activity for any suspicious transactions. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can ensure a safe and secure experience with your Arculus wallet.